The AI era has moved faster than most organizations were ready for. First came chatbots, then copilots. Now companies are preparing for agents that can read data, call tools, contact customers, approve actions, move money, and operate continuously. But there is a serious problem. Most of these systems still do not truly understand the organization they are expected to serve. They may know the world, they may not know your business, they do not automatically know which revenue metric finance trusts, which policy is current, which exception is allowed, who owns a decision, or when an action must stop and wait for a human. In the agentic era, intelligence without context is not simply incomplete. It can become expensive, inconsistent, and dangerous. Hello everyone, welcome to BricksNotes. This is Kriti. Today we are going to explore the context advantage, a practical guide for building enterprise AI that can understand, act, and scale responsibly. Most AI conversations still begin with the model. Which model is smartest? Which one reasons better? Which one has the largest context window? But when AI enters a real organization, the harder questions begin. Does the agent understand our business definitions? Can it access the right data? Does it know which policy applies? Can it explain why it acted? Can we stop it? And can we afford to run thousands or millions of agents continuously? The context advantage organizes these challenges around four foundations: context, control, cost, and choice. Context gives the agent the meaning behind the data. It includes trusted information, business definitions, policies, history, ownership, and institutional memory. Without context, an agent may produce a technically correct answer that is completely wrong for the business. Control defines the boundaries. It includes identity, permissions, approvals, guardrails, audit trails, and stopping conditions. The goal is not unlimited autonomy. It is useful autonomy that remains visible, verifiable, and accountable. Cost asks whether the intelligence creates enough value to justify how it operates. One request may look inexpensive, but repeated model calls, retries, tool actions, and agent loops can grow quickly. The real question is not how many tokens did we use? It is what trusted business outcome did those tokens create? Choice protects the organization from unnecessary lock in. The largest model is not always the right model. Companies need the freedom to choose the right model, platform, data source, and tool for each task based on quality, speed, privacy, cost, and risk. In our recent videos on context engineering and organizational context, we explored why better prompts cannot fix missing business meaning. The context advantage brings those ideas together into one complete way of thinking about the agentic enterprise. Across 31 focused chapters, the book explores why enterprise agents fail, what organizations need before they scale, and how to build systems people can actually trust. This is not a book about one model, one vendor, or one platform. It is about the system around the model, the context it receives, the controls it follows, the cost it creates, and the choices that keep the organization flexible. Imagine two companies using the same powerful AI model. The first gives its agent access to data and tools. The second also gives it approved definitions, current policies, clear permissions, business history, cost limits, and human escalation rules. The model may be identical. The outcome will not be. That difference is the context advantage. Here is the central idea. Models will continue to improve and become widely available. Your organizational context will not. The companies that capture what they know, govern how agents act, control what AI costs, and preserve architectural choice will build the strongest advantage. The future will not belong to the company with the most AI. It will belong to the company whose AI understands the business, operates within trusted boundaries, and creates measurable value. That is the context advantage. You can explore the complete book at thecontextadvantage.com. If this changed how you think about enterprise AI, like the video, subscribe to BricksNotes, and share it with someone building agents inside a real organization. Because the biggest AI problem may not be intelligence. It may be the gap between what the model knows and what the organization knows. Thank you for watching BricksNotes. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.